Okay, now let's assume, I want to erase some shit, okay? Well, of course you can select it, and hit erase. um, hmm, surprised at that. Okay, yeah, if you hold shift, you can select multiple items, I suppose. Hmm. And if you just select it again, it'll unselect it. But you can, hit like WP, okay, and that gives you what they call a window polygon. So, so, or I could hit CP, and that's a crossing polygon. So that selects all that, so you can, like delete it. So anyway, that was kind of interesting. It's a little annoying having to, a little cumbersome having to, enter it to the keyboard, but, but you can also use a fence by pressing F. And that allows you to draw through several different items, and press spacebar or enter to select them. Okay, and then they're gone. And Control Z to undo. Okay, I'm going to draw a rectangle here. And, one of the nice things about Autocad is, let's say we wanted to rotate our object, I can just enter that L on the keyboard, and, it'll give me the last selection so that I can, grab my rectangle, and it's pretty good about that. Rhino, that's a little dubious on Rhino. That's the one thing AutoCAD has over it. Now I'm going to draw an array here. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Well, let's see. I think I'll start over. Array. Select object. Oh, that's cool. That is slick. Huh. Okay. So yeah, it shrinks the array and oh, you can dynamically size it. That's pretty slick. I like that. Anyway, now let's say, okay, press enter. All right. Let's say I wanted to move some stuff. I can grab some. Whoops. Wow. Oh. What? Oh. Huh. Wow, so it's an object that you can scale. It's almost parametric. I wonder how you break it apart. Let me try to find out. What the heck? Oh. Alright, I'll just basically, hold on, select the array and, just exploded it. So, I don't know where to find the command. Anyway, let's grab these and move them. So, man, I need to remember which key press to get ortho. I can barely read those icons. Anyway, let's get that going there, and then let's say I wanted to copy something, but I can hit P, hit the previous set, and voila. Okay, of course, you know, you can select objects like that, and I can remove them by holding down the shift key and selecting them. And of course, you know, I can select them individually, you know, one at a time, or if I hold down the shift key, I could select them. Or what the hell is that? That's interesting. So apparently you can select the grips too for some reason. Not sure why you'd want to do that. You know, if you hold your cursor over it, it actually gives you some information on the, you know, on some of these grips anyway. I don't know how useful that is, but the same applies to lines. You know, if you hold it on there, you know, you can see information pop up about it, so it's kind of useful there. Okay, and you can, you know, too, grip onto these things right here and, like, you know, stretch them around, of course, but you can also enter information on it while you're stretching it and holding the mouse down and just press enter. But you know, you just have to click on it once, and like I'm not touching my mouse at all, so I can enter like 5, for example, and click on it again and enter 1. Whoops. Or just click on the center thing. That just lets you adjust the origin. Hit 1. Whoa. Why did it do that? 1. That's fucked up. Anyway, when I clicked my right mouse button, for some reason it kept making the circle big again. Enter the number of operations to undo. Anyway.